comparing costs word problem. Example: a student wants to travel and is comparing two options. Option A: bus trip, base fare $45 plus $0.12 per kilometer. Option B: car ride, base cost $20 plus $0.20 per kilometer. Find distance where the costs are equal and compare the costs at 200, 300, 400 kilometers. Step 1. Write the equations. Let x equals distance traveled in kilometers. Let t equals total cost of the trip. Now we write the cost equations for each travel option. Option A: bus trip. Total cost TB equals $45 base fare plus $0.12 per kilometer times x distance traveled in kilometers. Option B: car ride. Total cost TC equals $20 base fare plus $0.20 per kilometer times x distance traveled in kilometers. Step 2. Solve the system. These two equations represent the total cost by both options. To find the distance where both options cost the same, set the two equations equal. 45 plus 0.12x equals 20 plus 0.20x. Subtract 20 from both sides. 45 minus 20 equals 0.20x minus 0.12x. 25 equals 0.08x. Divide both sides by 0.08. X equals 312.5. So at 312.5 kilometers, both travel options cost exactly the same. Step 3. Compare costs by distance. Now let's compare the costs at 200, 300 and 400 kilometers. For 200 kilometers, x equals 200 kilometers. If we simplify, the total cost for the bus trip is $69 and the total cost for the car ride is $60. So the car is cheaper. For 300 kilometers, x equals 300 kilometers. If we simplify, the total cost for the bus trip is $81 and the total cost for the car ride is $80. So the cost is almost equal. For 400 kilometers, x equals 400 kilometers. If we simplify, the total cost for the bus trip is $93 and the total cost for the car ride is $100. So the bus becomes cheaper. Conclusion: for shorter trips, less than 312.5 kilometers, the car is cheaper. 312.5 kilometers is the distance where both costs are equal. For longer trips, more than 312.5 kilometers, the bus is cheaper. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more math videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.